one big thing right now is social media. So market yourself on social media, be it Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, Snapchat, and all the other endless channels, or they seem like they are endless channels that we seem to have right now, is on there. Make sure you have a consistent and congruent brand in terms of rent to rent. Give people advice, give them information, share with them what you do, and over time you'll start getting people who are interested in what you do, because if you serve people by giving value and information, inevitably they'll come back to you because they say, I want somebody to do all this for me, I can't do it. You clearly know what you're doing because you're sharing so much information. Can you do it for me? And that's a good way to get in. And social media obviously takes time in terms of your own effort and energy, and you need a bit of kit, but you can do stuff on your phone nowadays. By the way, you don't need expensive kit to do that, and just share information. With that, my favorite by far is direct mail. So you can have targeted direct mail campaigns, which don't have to be that expensive, by the way. I don't suggest you write the copy yourself. So I'm into copywriting. I know what skill and art is required to be a good copywriter. So I'd say pay somebody to craft and draft a good sales letter for you, which you can post out to people, building a nice story, having a nice offer, having a nice call to action, explaining why they should work with you, and you can hand deliver them if you don't have the money to use Royal Mail or another postage company. Send out a lot of pieces. Remember, the response rate is very, very low. It might be 0.5%, 1%, possibly 2% if you got really good copy and a really good irresistible offer. So don't expect that if you're mailing out 2,000 pieces that you only 1 or 2 or 3 people respond, because the response rate can be very low. But if you do enough of it and do it consistently as you're building your brand, direct mail definitely works. It has been working for many, many, many years, over a century, if not more. And it's going to carry on working because it's a nice communication. There's less stuff coming through the post now, more coming through digital forms and social media. So when some people receive a letter, they're more likely to read it. And if it's engaging, good headline, good subheadline, good text, they will read it and you'll get some leads through it. And then of course with social media you've got pay-per-click, so whether it's Google, whether it's YouTube, Facebook, all the other platforms do pay-per-click. Pay-per-click's not straightforward, so I'd say outsource that to somebody who knows what they're doing. You can do it yourself, by the way, but you're gonna make mistakes and you probably won't get the best results. So it could be worth paying somebody to do those for you and having targeted campaigns using lookalike audiences if you know what the kind of audience you've got and you've got a database, and try that. That works incredibly well. With that, have videos, free reports, information, whatever you've got, get more information out there and use pay-per-click, because that's going to enable you to get to more people a lot quicker. But again, you need some cash and you need a budget. If you haven't got that, then just use the basic method of networking, getting the word out there, word of mouth, referrals, and obviously networking and talking to people. And then possibly some direct mail if you got a bit of cash, and using your own social media profiles and channels to get the word out there.